Are you curious how to set up a Facebook business page? You've decided you want one, you don't have one yet, and you want to do it yourself. Well, this video is for you. Keep watching. Hey everybody, Jeffrey here with Max Height Web Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook business page. It's a lot easier than you may think. You may be surprised at how easy it is. So let's jump right in, shall we? So what you see here is my Facebook page. This isn't my business page. This is my actual personal Facebook feed. So what you're going to do when you log in to your Facebook account, you just go over here to this inverted triangle over here, kind of in the upper right hand corner of your Facebook page, and click that, and then find Manage Pages and click on Manage Pages. And up here in the kind of the center area, it says a little plus sign, Create a Page. That's where you're going to start. You click that, Create a Page, and then you see these two choices. You're going to create a business or brand page, or is it a community or public figure? Now, since most of you, I suspect, are doing this because you have a business or a brand that you want a Facebook page for, we're going to choose that. So under business or brand, we're going to click Get Started. Click there. We have to select a few things here. So connect with customers, grow your audience, and showcase your products with a free business page. Well, yes, you're not paying for this business page. Your page name. So give your page a name. I'm just going to call it My Business. But of course, you give it an intuitive name for your business. Then category. What kind of a business is this? This used to be a drop down and you could select from the drop down, but now you have to start typing something. So what kind of business do you have? I kind of have a marketing business. So I'm going to start typing marketing, and I see martial arts school. Well, that's not it. Marketing agency, maybe. Market research consultant, not really. Advertising and marketing, possibly. I'm going to see what happens if I write web, if I type web. Web designer, yes, that's true. Entertainment website, well, not really. Education website, possibly. So you see how we do the personal blog, graphic designer. So what is your business? What if it was dog walking? Let's see what that is. DOG, dog park, trainer, walker. Yep, they got all that. So I'm going to go back to, let's see, really do web hosting. Wonder what would happen if I typed that. Web hosting. Yeah, that doesn't exist. That doesn't work. So I'm just going to put about digital marketing. Digital creator. Computer company. No, that's not really it either. Computer store, training. Okay, so I'm going to just go back to marketing, M-A-R-K, and choose advertising and marketing for mine. Okay, and then once I do that, it asks for the address of my business. So I'm going to put in my P.O. box and my city, Centennial, Colorado, and a state, and my zip code and my phone number. It's optional, but I put it in there. I want people to be able to call me to schedule an appointment, to schedule a initial consultation, any of those things. So I actually have my phone number on my Facebook page. You may not want that, so it's optional. Don't show my address, only show this business and city, state, region, so forth. You can check that if you don't want people to know your address, your actual location. You don't have a store where people come to. You work out of your home. You may not want that. That's why I have a P.O. box. So then we hit continue. Well, when you create a page on Facebook, pages, groups, events, policies apply. and you may want to read those, all the terms and conditions that you are signing up for and agreeing to. Hit continue, and that takes us to the next section, which is add a profile picture. Help people find your page by adding photo. So this would be the small picture, which would be appropriate for your, if you had a logo, and if you don't have a logo, just a nice professional type of photo of you. So I might hit this. I could skip this and do it later, or I could upload it from here. So on my computer, I have a good picture of my logo. So I'm going to say upload profile photo, and I'm going to navigate to my logos, and I'm going to select this logo and hit open, and that's going to upload my logo. And then it's going to ask you to upload a cover photo. That's the large banner across the top of the page. So if you have something like that, if you've designed something, if you have some design tools, image design tools, you have some design capabilities, you might have created something. If not, then you can just pick a picture that you have the copyright to use. You have the right to use that picture. If it's a copyrighted picture, you have to get permission and so forth. If it's a photo you've taken, you can use it yourself. So I'm going to upload a photo. I've created something that I called Facebook cover image. So I'm going to upload that, and there's your page. And it may take a moment for the cover to populate. And if it doesn't, I can always add it again from within this environment. But at this point, you basically have your Facebook business page, and you can customize it all you want. You can swap out this. If you didn't decide to add the logo or your picture at the beginning, you can do it here by clicking this plus sign. If you didn't add a cover image, you can do it here. Invite your friends. This is a place to invite. I would discourage you from inviting anyone to your page until you have some content on it that gives them an idea of what this page is about and why they would want to add it. I am not a proponent of mercy invites or mercy likes. People liking my page because they like me or they feel compelled to do this for me. I want them to like the page for them. If this is a page that would benefit them, then I want them to like it. If they're just liking it because they like me, I'd rather they like the page because it's going to help them. So they don't know whether to like a page, whether this page is going to help them or benefit them or not, till I get some content on it and give it an about, give it a description, and so forth, which I can do from following these prompts. But this now invite your friends, I'm always going to close that. Not yet. I can do that later. You can always come back to it. Learn how to use ads to get results. I can click the ad center. I can then explore this. But that's not what this video is about. This video is not about how to use your Facebook business page. It's about how to set it up, which we've done. Now, for some reason, my banner image didn't upload. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to hit the add cover, and I can choose from photos, videos, or create a slideshow. So I'm going to choose from photos, and this is the photo I uploaded. So I don't know why I didn't make it. And I'm going to say that, and there it is. That is my Facebook business page that I just created. And now I can go through, I've got a welcome to your new page. If I can explore some of this, watch some of my other videos about how to use a Facebook business page, what to put on it, why you need it, and what you use it for, and so forth. But there it is. Just that quick, you have a brand new Facebook business page. Start posting things that would be helpful to your target audience on this Facebook business page. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this shed a little light on how easy it is to get started with a Facebook business page if you're doing it yourself. If this video was helpful to you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It helps other people find this video. Also, if you know somebody that could benefit from this video, if you would share it with them. Also consider, if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button below. If you would like to be notified whenever I create new video content, you can hit the bell and you will be notified as soon as new videos come out. This is Jeffrey with MaxHeight Web Solutions. I want to thank you for watching and wish you great success on all of your business pursuits. Until next time, onward and upward.